Hello guys. In this episode, let's talk about UPI payment. UPI is one of the most commonly used payment method in India that facilitates interbank or intrabank transaction by instantly transferring funds between two bank accounts using a mobile. UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. UPI is built on IMPS or Immediate Payment Service platform and allows for instant transfer of money between any two bank accounts. UPI payment is easy and instant and is available 24/7 and 365 days. Plus, it's integrated into various bank apps, so you can pick the one that suits you best. So, how UPI payment works? With UPI, your bank account is linked to a virtual payment address or VPA. Instead of dealing with long account numbers or IFS codes, you can simply use this VPA to send or receive money. Creating a virtual payment address or VPA is simple. When you register on a UPI-enabled app, your VPA is automatically generated. Just link your bank account and registered mobile number. Once set up, you can make payments to any UPI IDs, bank accounts, or QR codes. Many payment apps also streamline the process by allowing you to enter the receiver's phone number, which automatically assigns their UPI ID for easy payments. Basically, for UPI payments, you have got multiple options. Whether you're online or offline, you can make payments seamlessly. When online, you can use QR codes or payment apps for quick transactions. If you find yourself in both online and offline scenarios, QR codes and on-device wallets are convenient solutions. Even offline, such on feature phones, you can still access UPI through IVR systems. How secure is UPI payment? UPI payments are highly secure due to their single-click, two-factor authentication process. Each transaction requires the use of a UPI PIN and your mobile SIM card, making it as secure and trustworthy as traditional bank transactions. Benefits of UPI. UPI offers numerous benefits for both customers and merchants. For customers, it provides round-the-clock availability, enabling transactions at any time. With a single app, users can conveniently access multiple bank accounts and make payments for various expenses with just a click, enhancing convenience and ease of use. For merchants, UPI presents a low-cost acceptance method, eliminating the need for credit, debit cards and the hassle of handling cash. It's suitable for both physical and online merchants, facilitating seamless transactions. That concludes today's session. See you next week.